So good day everyone, we are the group 4 and our topic for today is to discuss the sextant altitude. So who are the members? Cadet Tikito, through yours, and Cadet Dultra and Cadet Duga. And for our learning outcome for today is at the end of our discussion, students are expected to learn the calculation of sextant altitude by sun and planet. So for first one, sextant. Sextant is an instrument for determining the angle between the horizon and celestial bodies such as the sun, the moon, the planet, or the stars. So it is used in celestial navigation to determine latitude and longitude. The device consists of an arc of a circle marked off in degrees and a movable radial arm pivoted at the center of the circle.
Thank you for that, Cadet Digito. So now let's proceed to the correction of altitude by the sun. So let me give you an example. So find the true altitude of a sun on the 16th June 2004 when the sextant altitude of the upper limb is 38 degrees 29 minutes. The height of eye is 10 meters. Index error is 1.0 minute of the arc. So let's proceed to the solution. So given that the sextant altitude is 38 minutes 29.2 minutes and the index error is of the arc, which is addition, so 1.0 minutes, so our altitude observed altitude will be 38 degrees 30.2 minutes. So for the dip, so our dip is negative or minus 5.6 minutes since our height of eye is 10 meters and there is no interpolation in the dip table. So the apparent altitude will be automatically 38 degrees 24.6 minutes. So for the total correction, and since the apparent altitude will be 38 degrees and it is shown in the table that there is no interpolation, so our total correction will be automatically 17.0 minutes. So minus to the 38 degrees 24.6 minutes, our true altitude will be 38 degrees and 07.6 minutes. So that's all. Our next presenter will be Cadet Duga.
Alright, so corrections of sextant altitude by the sun. So find the true altitude of planet Venus on 28th of June 2021 when the sextant altitude was 46 degrees 17 minutes, height of eye was 7.9 meters, and index error was 0.1 minute, so off arc. So the solution, so sextant altitude, index error, sextant altitude is 46 degrees 17 minutes. Index error is 0.1 minutes off. Then index error, observed altitude is 46 degrees 18 minutes. Dip, HOE is 7.9, so negative 4.9 minutes. Apparent altitude 46 degrees 13.1 minutes. Total correction minus 0.9 minutes. And apparent altitude 46 degrees 12.2 minutes. Additional correction plus 0.2. So true altitude will be 46 degrees 12.4 minutes. Next is gonna be another example. So still corrections of sextant altitude by the sun. So in this example, so you need to find the true altitude of planet Venus on 1st of August 2004 when the sextant altitude was 45 degrees 17 minutes. Height of eye was 7.5 meters. and index error was nil. So solutions. So the sextant altitude it's 45 degrees 17 minutes. Index error is just negative. Observed altitude it's 45 degrees and 17 minutes. And dip HOE 7.5 negative 4.9 minutes. The apparent altitude will be 45 degrees 12.1 minute, and total correction it's minus 1.0 minutes. Apparent altitude is 45 degrees 11.1 minute. Additional correction plus 0.2, so the true altitude will be 45 degrees 11.3 minutes. And that's it. Thank you.